it's me, Jelly. We play this game. You want easy? It's play. This is the Minecraft, but this is a different Minecraft. Here's the Minecraft, but it's almost nighttime. But you can transform in sun or night. Here's the ladder, and there's the old chair. Ooh, it's very comfortable, but you cannot sleepy. I made this library, and this is called the Castle Mountain. Castle Lava. Castle Lava is the bone tiny. 4 animals when killed, but it's the sneaky animals. They like to eat people or other animals. So I need the lava, very important. But the lava has sound, and this is go upstairs from the other trees. And this is the greenest tree. And wait for Sunny. Later we can go episode number 2 later. But we need to not go. When you play, you need to start. You can pick everything you like. Like this. Oh, I want that one. If you want to press it, you need this. When you wrong way. If you want to put this, when you want to putting everything, you need to press this button. If you the water and the lava, and this is the lava. When you melt, let's pudding again. When turning back, you need to press this again. Now, trash can. Now the lava come. We need to waiting before it's out. Out. And this is the light. Oops, the lights disappeared maybe. Oh, I know that because it kinda stick together.